Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the IVES number 482 door guard. It's a very typical, classic design of door guards that you see obviously in hotel applications, residential applications. That is the door portion. Here is the frame portion. Obviously locks up like this, okay, and would of course operate that way in the event that the door was opened, okay. Shown to you in the aluminum base material in a chrome finish. You can see that those two situations are slightly offset, and the reason is because the door and frame condition are not flush generally. Small amount of offset to that. Available in several different architectural finishes. There is a link below this video to the what's called the cut sheet, and then there's a template. Both of them are kind of like installation instructions is the bottom line. Looking at the drawing of the door guard, you see some dimensions. And really, the important aspect about that is you're going to be installing it with a 3/8 of an inch gap between these two plates. So the margin right between here is going to be 3/8 of an inch. And fasteners are provided in a complementary finish. Okay. The difference of this cut sheet, there are two drawings. You've got your 482A, which is what this one is, aluminum. Then you've got the 482B, and that's the solid brass material. So the templating is actually ever so slightly different with both of those. I don't know exactly why, but they are. Probably something to do with the machining or the manufacturing process. The instructions are here as well, which are very straightforward to go over. You can see on that link to the instructions, it shows what it looks like when it's actually working. Etc. Now that portion C, which is the edge guard, and that's optional. That's a different part number. It's not included with this. And what that is going to be for is in the event, you probably already know this, if it's unlocked and you lock it, let's say that you open the door to go out, okay, you open the door, and this somehow closes behind, and when the door were to come and you don't want the edge of the door to hit this material, so that door edge or that edge guard is what is there to compensate for damage that's on that as well. If you have questions about that, feel free to reach out to us. Nice quality product. Even in the aluminum finish, it weighs about 1/2 pound. Obviously the brass would be heavier. Very good quality for being aluminum, and typical sort of item, but that's what it looks like. Dimensionally, just put the tape measure on it so you can get an idea of what we're talking about. The height of the mounting pad for the frame looks like it's just about 2.5 inch. The width of it's just under 1 inch. Overall length, just so you have an idea of perspective, looks like about 4 3/8. The door portion, it's going to be the same, 2.5 inch, and just under 1 inch. Overall projection of that, just for scope, about 2 5/16. IVES, a full-line manufacturer of all kinds of material, trim and auxiliary related. Not only typical items like this door guard, but of course push and pull plates they're very well known for. They have a full line of commercial grade pivots, really nice pivots if you're going to be hanging very heavy doors. Very good price point for the pivots, excellent quality. They have a full line of continuous geared hinges, and obviously kick plates and ancillary items like that. Any questions on the IVES 482 door guard or any other IVES product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.